Project code ITIMP 27. Project title Lesson Detection using Convolutional Neural Network for Diabetic Retinopathy Screening. So, our aim of the project detect the lesson from the eye fundus images. So, this is the fundus image from the eye. So, these are the lessons from the image, and these are the normal image. So, with the help of different CNN model to detect the normal image and a lesson image. So is a main help for cleaning purpose. So abstract. So we are using deep CNN model to analyze the images. So in existing they used in machine learning. So first of all, what is machine learning? Machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence without human intervention. It will be detect the machine. So the system is drawbacks. The system is bulky to make the code, so it's not correct in all time. So we will move for other language like deep learning. So in proposed we used in CNN AlexNet layer creation. In AlexNet is a pre-trained CNN model. So it consists of 25 layers. So in the layers, with the help of these layers, we will be get the features from lesson or not. With the help of these features to detect the lesson image or normal image, and proposed advantage is a easy model, is a more accurate. So in existing technique is a machine learning is a vessel extracting model. In our proposed deep learning, it consists input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. In input layer, input image. So in hidden layer, we use the convolutional layer, ReLU layer, and a maximum pooling layer. In convolution layer, work with the convolution operation multiplication, like it will be detect some features from the image and they converted into ReLU layer. It will be segmented layer from the image, and finally maximum pooling layer. It get a maximum value from the image, and finally with the value classify. These are the features. The final value is a feature from the images. This is a black diagram. First, this is a lesson image or normal image. So first I will take in a retinopathy images, these images, and next we process image process, pre-process like RGP2 gray conversion, and next we did the lesson part location identification with the help of adaptive histogram method. So this method is a one of the black and white conversion method, and next we use in create a convolution layer is a AlexNet model, and finally with the help of this convolution layer training will be done, and finally classify is a lesson or not. Application, the main application is early detection for treatment process. In future they detect bright lessons and also used to new features also. Software 2018 A is enough, and why use for MATLAB 2018 mean is easy to learn and easy understandable. It contains many toolboxes like machine and deep learning toolboxes. With the help of these toolboxes, we'll make the project. So next, 64-bit OS is enough for the hardware side. And next, conclusion. So our aim of the project, detect the lesson from the fundus image with the help of AlexNet. Is done. Thank you.